Hey guys, what's going on? This is Eric Garcia for CPM Term 1403. This video I'm going to give you an overview of our Project 1 Android user and data. As you can see here, I have the app running in the simulator. We're kind of going to go through the rubric here step by step. User authentication. App allows creation of new user accounts on the parse and also allows the user to log in with credentials, user's account credentials that are valid. Dated using parse. So we'll go ahead and create a new account here. I'll just call this one eric@cpm.com with abc123 as our password, and we're going to go ahead and sign up. It's going to ask us to re-enter our password, abc123, and our name is Eric. We're going to go ahead and create that account. And it goes ahead and logs us into the app. If we look into the parse dashboard and the user, we go ahead and refresh this. You can see eric@cpm was just created. So that is all through there. Going back to the rubric for the excellent column, it allows the user to stay logged in automatically upon app launch. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate that. We're logged in now. If we kill the application, come back, launch it again from here, you are logged in. In order to log out, you go to settings and then log out, which would take you back to the main screen. I'm going to go ahead and log in with a different account which already has some data, just so we can see how this works. We've logged in as a different user. It has some creations already done. Going back to the rubric, creating data allows the user to create restricted data into the parse server via custom user import, which I'm about to demonstrate now. And also for the excellent column, we're doing multiple types of input, which I'll show you now. We have actually 3 different types. We have a string, date, int, and then another string. And there's also, validation here. If you don't put anything in, you can't save it. You'd have to at least have the first 3 fields. Notes are optional, but please enter a title. So we'll go ahead and put in CPM video is on the night. There's one guest here by myself, and we're going to go ahead and save that, and you'll see that's automatically added to the list. Going over to the parse server, you will see in the memories that CPM video was actually just now added. We'll go ahead and add another one just for another test. Save it. Refresh this, and you'll see that another test is just added and added onto here. So that is the excellent column for creating data and reading data. App retrieves user restricted data. Again, going to the parse, it's automatically designated to the user. The ACL access control list is specific to a user, which in this case is the test user that we just saw. So every single entry created is specific to the user, so there's no public data with this application. So there we go. That is the excellent column for creation and reading, because we're reading in that restricted data from the access control list, and you can even refresh the data. Obviously there's nothing to refresh now, but it did refresh. Deleting data, this is where I kind of didn't get where I wanted to get. So I just implemented is if you click any of these items, they will delete. We'll delete another test that was deleted, and we'll actually go over here and show that it was deleted from the parse server as well. What I was trying to implement was, being able to delete multiple of them with the long press, which I have the contextual action bar, but I just didn't get the full functionality. It says delete and goes away, but that still needs a little bit of work. So for the time being, we are just, clicking to delete any item with that, and again it also deletes it from the parse servers. So that is with the excellent column there, we're deleting multiple data types with that individual user. As far as the application UI, I believe it's pretty standard, utilizing all of the main Android features with action bar and adding items and saving items. Um, this is the only thing that is, I guess, a little bit behind because that's not fully functional, and clicking on an item usually doesn't delete it, but that's what we had to settle with for this time being. So all of the UI elements required for the navigation, logging in, logging out, creating data, and persistent function is all pretty intuitive and natural to any Android user. With that, it's been a great first week. Look forward to the coming weeks.